Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. So happy you're here. Today we're going to check out the Winter Curateur box. If you're new, I'm Laura. Wyatt, the white puppy dog, is hanging out with me a bit today. Xena, my brown puppy dog, has decided to take the day off. But we hope you stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. If you are not familiar with Curateur, it is a lifestyle subscription box by Rachel Zoe. And it is all about luxury products. She usually picks items that are at the higher end, and the value of this box is around $400 plus, and the cost of it is $125 a season, or you can pay annually, and then it is $450 for the entire year, which is about a savings of $50. All right, so let's dig into my box. This is the winter box, and she almost always has customizations where you pick between two or three different items. Sometimes it'll be jewelry between gold and silver. It might be between a clothing item. It'll be between different patterns, but she almost always has customizations, and she'll let you know whenever that customization window is open. All right. So as soon as I open my box, this is what I see. She has turned this into an entire shopping experience, which once you're a member, you can shop all the things she has on her site, plus subscribe to her box. I see a little pamphlet that's going to tell me, or I should say a one-pager that's going to tell me all about the items inside my box. And then we get into the goodies. All right. Let's do this. Okay, so right on the other side, it's going to tell me about the items and show me which ones were the customizations. And she did have jewelry in there, and you could add on if you wanted to. And if you add on, it's much, much cheaper than the retail price. So for instance, she had the choice between a necklace and earrings, and you could choose to add on the item you didn't choose. So if I selected the earrings, I could have added on the necklace. And I actually think I did the reverse. I think I picked the necklace, and I did actually, I think, add on the earrings. I did. So, and it was much cheaper than the retail price. The same with, she has this awesome robe in here. You could pick between two, but if you wanted to add the other one, you could. So let's start with the jewelry since I started talking about it. She had the choice between two items here, a necklace and earrings, and it is the Bryn Pearl Lariat necklace, retails $85. And the Effie Pearl Drop Huggies retail $80. So for the necklace, it says, Rachel says, I love this lariat for dressing up everyday winter looks, like a cashmere sweater and jeans, and even more of a standout when worn with a V-neck or plunging neckline. And for the Huggies, pearls have made a huge comeback, and I don't believe they're going anywhere. A no-fail way to try the trend this season is by pairing the sophisticated drop with your favorite winter attire. So let's see what they look like. She has them inside a jewelry pouch and then inside plastic. So here is the lariat. Look how pretty that is. I'm going to put this on. I think this is really pretty. I like it that it's not super thin chain. It's substantial. It has the lobster clasp. Obviously I already have a necklace on, but let's put this on so you can see. That's super pretty. I like that. And you could layer it with something a little bit shorter. I'd have to bring my other necklaces up, but that is super pretty. Yeah, I'm enjoying that. And I could wear it with what I have on too. That's super pretty. I like that. Okay. And let's check out the earrings and see what those look like. Oh, they're cute. Not too dramatic. I was a little worried when I added them that they might be really large, but they are not. They're very delicate. A lot of times your pieces are statement jewelry. These are super pretty. I want to say when I added them, like the price was incredibly reasonable. It was nowhere near the $80 price tag. So let me add these and show you what they look like. So here's what they look like. Perfect pairing. I'm so glad I added them. So pretty. All right, so we got the bling out of the way. Let's see what other fun stuff is in here. Next up, I'm going to show you the robe, which is called Show Me Your Moo-Moo, which was also a choice item. This one is called the Harlow robe. It retails for $128. And she says you could get an animal print or pink stripe. Even when I'm just hanging out at home over the holidays, I like to feel a little fashionable. This pattern robe is equally stylish and comfortable, so I'll be wearing it all season. Here's the two choices, the pink stripe or the animal print. I went with this one. I did not add the extra one. Look how pretty this is. I like the neutral. And then it just ties at the waist. So I could easily just put this on and show you what it looks like. So this is super cute. Has like the, wider sleeves, open. Here's the back. And then you can just tie it at the waist. So if you just want to hang out and lounge, this would be a perfect way to do that in style and comfort, both. How cute is that? So silky. Yeah, I really like it. And you can always just, yeah. I like the print on this. Very, very pretty. Loving this necklace. And do I have pockets in this? No pockets. All right, we're going to keep going. Next up. So this is by Flannery Rest and Rebalance Set. The retail is $180. You can see it comes in this nice little travel pouch. And then you have 3 items inside here. Not 1, not 2, but 3. Okay, and she says, in the winter, my skincare routine needs a total revamp, which is why I love this full-size trio of products that includes everything my complexion needs to look and feel fresh. So we have the Wild Jasmine Hyaluronic. It says Dark Circles Relief and Uplift Eye Serum. That's this one. Then we have the Jasmine Sunset Rose Quartz Restorative Face and Eye Night Cream. This one. And last, we have the Everlasting Spring Hibiscus Invigorating Mask. So, how fun are all of these? And I love that I didn't pay the $180 price tag for all 3 of these. But yeah, you can easily travel with these. How nice. I love that. I love it. All right, we're down to the last 2 items. They're by Rachel Miriam. First up is the Eve Clutch. This retail value is $148, and it says white is so chic for winter dressing. So I love the idea of pairing this clutch with a gorgeous matching sweater dress and boots for your holiday parties. Plus, you can unfold it and use it as a packing pouch when you're on the go. All right, let's check this out. I am making such a mess here. Check this out. So the way that she shows it is, see how it's folded over here? And then when she said unfold it and use it as a packing pouch, you can just keep it just like this. and it's like got tons of room in it. And you can see how far my arm, almost up to my elbow, my arm goes in there. So much room. And then you can carry it as a little clutch just by folding this over. And then off you go. How versatile is that? And this is a really nice fabric. So a nice cream. It's got a little bit of a pebbled effect to it. That's really nice. And then the last item is a throw. And this one is called the Cloud Throw. It retails for $128. So perfect for the season, right? I don't know how it is for all of you, but it has gotten really chilly where I am. So everything is cold, and this feels luxurious. So this is the Cloud Throw. Think about your winter decor like you think about your wardrobe and add in cozy layers. The color and fabric of this throw makes it perfect to toss over a chair or ottoman, but it's also incredibly practical and great for travel. So you could also put this in the car for car rides. You could throw it around yourself to be nice and warm. This is what it looks like folded in half. So it's still something that you could easily like pack and just use for yourself as a cozy. And it's so, so soft. I love it. And that's all my items. What did you think? I thought this was awesome. I thought this was a great collection, but I love Rachel Zoe's products and her collections. I think she curates a great box. So I added the earrings. So you either get the necklace or the earrings, or you can pay extra and get both. And that's what I did. Everything else came in the box. Let me know what you think. I'll put all the information for Curateur down below in case you'd like to give this awesome subscription a try, and let me know what you thought. I thought this was so much fun. So I have a new robe. Yep, this awesome new robe. Got this awesome new throw. I have new jewelry to wear, and I've got a new clutch, as well as some awesome new beauty products that I could take on the go if I wanted. I'm ready for winter. And I happen to be filming this on the first day of winter, so it worked out so well. I'm not sure when you guys are going to see it, but hopefully I'll get it up pretty soon for you guys to watch. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I can't wait to hear what you think. I'll put all the information for this down below, and I'll put my link in case you'd like to give this a try. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.